Alright, guys, so got this mango here. It's not your regular mango. I was at the grocery store. Believe it or not, this was on sale. Okay, so I want to do a review for you guys. They call it Alprez, I don't know, mango. This is a special mango. Very fragrant. Take a look at the size of this thing. It is enormous. Okay, so but yeah, I'm gonna cut it up and do a quick review for you guys, and just stay tuned. So I'm gonna take the peel off and then just cut off the meat. So be right back. So if you want to take a look at this mango skin is very thin. So I'm gonna take off the peel. You don't want to waste the meat on it, so you don't want to peel it too deep, guys. Just to let you know. I'll be back and we'll get this all peeled up. Okay, so here's the mango all cut up, guys. It is very fragrant. I'm gonna do a quick bite here and give you a taste test here. Yep, just give me 1 minute. There we go. There's the mango. Mmm, so sweet. No hint of sourness whatsoever, guys. Definitely check it out. It is expensive, but it's very, very sweet. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, post them below.